I am here today to award one of the fourth quarter SLISU Awards. So without further ado, today's winner is Christy Minns. I'm going to share just a few of the highlights from the nominations. You were nominated by 3 individuals for 3 different SLISU categories, so pretty special. Just a lot of the comments talked about your motivation, your caring, your compassion. One talked about how you went above and beyond with a student who needed to take medication and needed to eat first, and you used your own resources to get them some food and drink to be able to take care of them. Another person talked about your work with nursing students and really how you mentor and help them grow as professionals as well. So overall, your colleagues speak so incredibly highly of you, and I am just so proud to be awarding you the SLISU Fourth Quarter Award.
I was totally surprised and taken off guard to be selected for this award. I really appreciate it from my coworkers. I really enjoy working here, and it was a very heartfelt moment, and very surprised that it happened.
I nominated Christy for this award for many reasons, one of which being that she is compassionate, very kind, and understands exactly what the patients need. She is a true asset to Purdue. She just represents the university very well.
I nominated Christy because she will go out of her way to help you. She will make sure you have what you need, what the providers have what they need for the day. If you ever have an issue, you can always go talk to Christy. She can try to resolve it. If she can't, she will talk with someone else to help you possibly resolve the issue. And she has a very big heart.
I've nominated Christy for the award because since day one that I've been here, Christy has always been patient and understanding and caring for me. She's just been there in every aspect of my life, even personal, and so I felt that she definitely deserved the award because she goes above and beyond for everybody.
I am motivated just because I have always had the philosophy to treat people the way that you would want to be treated, the way your family wants to be treated, so that's my motivation for pretty much everything I do. I just try to be helpful and kind and do what I can to help others out.